friends, I'm Ashish and you're watching Sessions for Success. Before starting my discussion, I want to ask you one simple question. Are you also one of those who are always busy using their mobile phones but doing nothing valuable? If yes, keep watching this video and you will understand what the real problem is. Do you know what is wrong with internet today? We have so many options of free entertainment. Because they are free, we spend more time watching it than we have. For example, we watch some ordinary movie that we would never spend money to watch. Yes, such movies are free in terms of money. But are these free in terms of time? No. And time is money. In fact, it is more expensive than money. We can recover the money lost, but time lost can never be gained again. By watching on free stuff, we watch that is not even entertaining. We might just click on and on initially because of boredom. Eventually, it becomes a habit, then a default habit. Whenever we have spare time, our fingers start clicking to take us towards the free entertainment. Then it becomes a compulsion and we start spending time we don't have. It takes our time we need to invest on our family, our health, our spiritual growth. All these things are much more valuable. And the worst part of such mess is that we don't even realize we are getting trapped. The illusion is more fascinating because we are allured by endless variety of pleasure even if they are not free. Thus, these indulgences cost us immensely, not just in terms of time, but in terms of money, pleasure, peace, and many more. Then we get addicted. Addiction of gaming, addiction of movies, addiction of porn, addiction of social media. Now to protect ourselves from such trap, we need to remind us that this free stuff is rarely free. Then only we find something more meaningful and more valuable and can focus on doing that. This way we can save us from this trap. We just have to remind us again and again that time is money and we are wasting it. We are being fooled. We are getting trapped. That way we can save our time, our money, our relationships and our peace. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and help me grow by subscribing my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day.